Shosho guys, welcome back to Speaker Nawe. I'm still your boy Taylor DJ. So today bengithi ngifuna senze i-review album entsha ephumile ka KO and ngifuna size sibheke album yonke because album hayi iyaphoxa disappointed nami njengefan ka KO njengefan eTia Gas. I know I think album yona week na wonke la wakhipha as a solo artist. So i-album ephumile ino 2 weeks iphumile ibizwa ngeParasite. And ingoma ezinohlozi zimbalwa kakhulu ikhona ingoma enoyoungster okuyiyona le single inane music video kade iphume eqala nayo ayiyona ingoma emnandi nayo but iyalaleleka khona enye eno MT unaledi yaphiwe u25k I think yona ngoma ke kule album ephilayo I hope yona ngoma bazoshutha music video beyiphushe nase radio but ingoma eningi ezinye I know ayiziwiki kakhulu but ingoma eningi aka rap zinama chorus ama hook so akuyana no KO lana wekhipha le album eshisa kakhulu yani Iskandar Republic lesoqala because nazo lezi lemoyelo wekhipha amanye ama Iskandar Republic adinga ube sele wephelelwa kakhulu so ingiphoxa kakhulu album but ikhona ngisevile nje mhlawumbe ngisazothola isikhathi because ikhona enye ingoma ne Black Diamond because ngiyilalela ngithi mhlawumbe nangizoyithanda ayingeke amajita nawo lamana I think i-boost ambitious eduze wayayidinga because mase keep ingoma after ambitious nabo ayabashaya khona but i-album iphumile abantu abaningi begxana ku Twitter no KO beka wabaphendula reply lapha ukuthi no yena akasarelease music for impress abantu but I think more release music uzongena kuma charts uzongena ku top 10 so i-competition uyacompete mele release into proper so I think nje I know ngise happy ukuthi usa release music after so many years ade keep ama album because I think uKO usebe ne longevity ende kakhulu South Africa but album yakhe no ingiphoxa kakhulu I think mathiwa se rate as Speaker Nawe sesingamzaba mhlawumbe simneze u5 out of 10 so sekhona ku Twitter Speaker Nawe Instagram Speaker Nawe na ku TikTok isikhona Speaker Nawe awe